Hey, Bret Johnson with Realty Executives and the Better Together Academy. And by now, you probably know that online home evaluations are simply not accurate. That's why most real estate experts do what's called a CMA, or comparative market analysis, to find out what a home would actually sell for. Now, if you're new to the business or you just need a refresher on how to do these correct, don't worry. There are 3 steps I'm going to give you to help you calculate an accurate CMA just like a pro. The first point is you want to get the facts. One of the advantages CMAs have over online valuations is they can actually factor in unique features of the property. Get to know everything about the home that may affect its value. You might even suggest to the client to do a pre-home inspection so that you can get as much information as possible. Now, the second point is you want to find good sold comps. Once you understand a property inside and out, it's time to actually find similar properties and see what they sold for, not what they were listed for. Location is key. The closer the comp is to your client's property, the better. Also, don't forget that comps become less valuable the older they become. And lastly, make adjustments. No matter how many comps that you find, there will never be one that's a 100% replica of your client's home. So make adjustments to the comp's prices based on the unique facts that you find in step 1. Don't forget to consider how market factors have changed since the sale of the comp as well. If you'd like some further tips or just a little help, I suppose, on running your own CMAs, feel free to give me a call. I'd be happy to sit down with you and chat a little bit more about your business and how I might be able to assist. You can reach me at 602-502-6468. Thanks so much.